waits for you. I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made for us. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we were meant to be, darling. Oh yeah, love was made for us. We don't.
What is love? For me, it began the moment I met him. The world shifted, and nothing was ever the same. Join me as I unveil the story of a love that blossomed and captured the memory of hope.
I've told you that I'll be back before you know it. You keep on complaining, baby, every time. I told you I'll be back before you know it.
Mom, this isn't even about money. You're always leaving.
Look, I'll send you more money. Alright? I'll send you more money. All you have to do is enjoy yourself for this holiday, you and your brother. I don't know what else you need.
Mom, it's not about the money.
Look, I'm late already. Alright? Mommy loves you. Hmm?
Mom, this...
I'll be back. Look, I'm late.
Mom!
Look, Daisy, don't let her upset you. This isn't the first time she's leaving us. We'll be fine, okay?
Yes, that woman is my mother. But does she act like a mother? I don't know. Because she never showed us how a mother should act. Rather than love, what we receive from our mother is neglect. One thing I'll always make sure of is that my brother will always be loved by me. And I will move heaven and earth for that boy. As they say, no love can beat the love of a mother. Well, my quote is, no love can beat the love of a sister. Well then, that is the little definition of love that I, my mother, and little brother have.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we will.
Play now, it's your turn.
No, you're supposed to pick.
Oh, okay.
So...
It's like you're cheating, are you?
I'm not cheating, I'm playing the game.
See now, okay, how did you get 20 now?
How am I supposed to know? I want circle.
Okay, I don't have circle.
Then you have to go to my house.
I know you're cheating.
I wasn't cheating. I played the
cheating.
game the same way you played the game. It's 1-1.
Well,
won the last time, so.
Sis,
Hmm?
I'm hungry.
Okay. What do you want to eat?
Mm,
Should we two noodles and egg? What? Why your long face?
see, Daisy, I love you, but you don't know how to cook. Please, let's just order out.
Ouch.
But it's the truth. Your noodles is like the deep it inside water.
Wow.
Sorry.
I never knew you hated my cooking. Anyways, let's order out since that's what you want.
Okay. So are you still going to play?
Yeah, well, hold on. Let's order.
Finally. What's the pictures? Ooh.
Come on, Clinton. Not even settled that you brought that thing out.
Oh, that thing is called a camera.
What did you say?
Nothing. I didn't say anything.
I know some stuff inside. Come in.
Hey, sis.
What's up?
I'm good. I thought you said the view was going to be nice from my bedroom window.
Clinton, please, no complaining, okay? Besides, there's a beach nearby. You can go there. Enough view for you.
Okay. Well, I guess use this. And,
Enjoy.
whew. I think it's so much pictures so far. Do you want to see?
Yeah. Done.
Still.
Daisy, we have
Calm down. Why are you breathing so fast?
Look, Daisy. So a couple of people just moved in next door.
Is that why you were breathing so fast? This boy, like a
We should go say hi to them. They seem nice.
For what reason? We don't know these people.
They're so boring. They're always writing. Oh, no fun.
Thank you. Oh yeah, should we go to the beach later today?
Yeah. Oh, hey, Nemo.
Hey,
It's nice to see you again.
Clinton.
Jonathan is my name.
Nice to meet you, Jonathan. So I was just heading to the beach. Do you mind tagging along?
Yeah, sure. I was bored anyways, and my sister is writing, so...
Oh, you have a sister?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
I'm so tired. I'm going to my room. Good night, Daisy.
Hello. How may I help you?
Why are you talking to your mother like you're talking to a stranger?
What's the difference?
Daisy, I said I'm sorry. I'll be back soon.
You're sorry. Mom, you're always sorry. You know what? I'm not going to let this conversation ruin my day.
That's the spirit. How's your brother?
You just went to bed.
All right. I'll call back. Talk to you later.
Bye, stranger.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant.
There's this. Hi, bro.
Hey, sis.
What's up?
I'm fine.
Okay, so I'll be stepping out briefly, okay? I have something really urgent to attend to.
I'm definitely.
Alright, see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
You look good.
Thank you.
I should go get some pictures. Let me go take some pictures. Oh, my God. Okay, let's go.
It's rude to stay, you know.
Wait, what?
You're acting like you've never seen a guy trying to ride a bike.
Well, I've never seen a top guy like you struggle to ride a bike.
Are you better than me?
Do you want to see a master at work?
Okay.
Easy.
Okay. So, you're good.
Better.
You take photos.
Oh yeah, I take pictures. I'm actually going out for a view, so I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
Sis, you just missed our neighbor. He's quite nice. I like him.
Oh, okay. I wanted to ask you what you want to eat for dinner.
Maybe pizza.
So your mouth like pizza.
Sis, I think I finally know how to ride the bike. Do you want to try?
No, thank you, I beg. From all the injuries I got from when I was little, riding this thing. Wait, go on.
Tell me more.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see what we have here. Hold on, I like this view. Oh.
Hi, bro.
Welcome back, sis. What's wrong?
You're asking me what's wrong. Clayton, all I see you with is this camera. Every time. How much have you earned from these pictures? Clayton, I keep telling you over and over again, learn an IT course. Just keep learning more.
Sis, can we not just go back to that topic? I thought we'd been through over this.
Exactly. That's why I'm surprised every time I see you with this camera, because I thought we agreed that photography would not be a thing.
We did not agree anything, sis. We didn't. Look, taking pictures is more than what you picture it to be. Okay? I mean, just understand with me, please.
Look, I'm too tired for this conversation. Please, we'll have this conversation next time.
Well, at least pause. Let me take you on. We didn't agree anything.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made for us. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Oh yeah, love was made for us. We don't have to try. The stars align for us. Don't be afraid, darling, I'm here. Yeah, love was made for us. Oh, I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Oh yeah, love was made for us. Yeah, I'll go to the end with you. I'll be the reason you smile.
Am I falling in love?
Oh yeah, was made for us. Yeah, I'll go to the end with you.
I'll be back.
Oh, please don't go.
I'll be back soon.
Mommy, Jonathan is scared. Mommy, please.
You're going to hold my bag now?
Mommy. Don't go. Mommy, don't go. Mommy, don't go. Mommy, don't go. Mommy, don't go. I thought we both agreed to sleep early.
I'm sorry.
Is it that you never listen to me because I'm not mom?
Daisy, why would you say that? I said I was sorry and I got carried away.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be.
Morning, bro. Okay, fine. I'm sorry about what I said earlier. It was out of emotions. I didn't mean it. Sorry.
Do you think that because I laugh and never show my emotions, I don't know that we have a mother that is never around? How do you think I feel every time I see that suitcase with her? And, oh, the stranger is leaving again. But do you know why I'm okay? Because I have you. You're always there for me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not thinking about how you might have been feeling. I promise, from today, I'll be there for you no matter what. Okay. It's me and you forever.
I love you, sis.
I love you too.
Yes, come in.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, sis.
Just come and go to the pharmacy for me down the road and get some aspirin. I'm having serious migraine.
Oh, is that serious?
So bad, honestly.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
It's nothing. I just got a bit distracted. Yeah.
Please be careful. And if you need glasses, let me know so I can get you some.
Come on, sis. You always think of the worst. It's not that bad.
If you say so.
I say so.
What's the time? Is Jonathan home? It's been...
Jonathan, are you in? Jonathan! Jonathan! Jonathan!
Where's my phone? Should I call Mom? Jonathan, where are you? Why are you not picking your call? Where are you? Where are you?
Where did you go? Where have you been?
Daisy, calm down. I thought I told you I went to the beach.
The beach? Jonathan, you went to the beach without telling me? I've been looking everywhere for you.
I'm sorry, I went to the beach with Clinton. Daisy, I'm sorry. I got carried away. Clinton and I were talking and we just wanted to see a lot of things. Come on, Daisy, don't get mad at your little bro. Daisy, come on. I'm sorry. Okay?
Okay. Fine. Jonathan, please. Whenever you're leaving the house, always tell me. Always communicate. If something had happened to you, I would never have forgiven myself.
Daisy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Hi.
Can you talk? You knocked.
Yeah, is Jonathan home?
He's busy.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made for us. I will wait for you.
I just told you he's busy. What else do you want?
I'm Clinton. Can we be friends?
Nice to meet you, Clinton, but I'm too busy for friends.
That was the day we first met. For him, it might have been love at first sight. But for me, it was the beginning of an unknown journey. When I saw him, I wondered, who is he? Watch as our story unfolds, revealing who he truly is.
Are you stalking me?
I wish.
What?
Sorry, I was just taking pictures.
Okay. At least can I see the ones you took of me?
No, it got deleted. Got deleted.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so what are you writing?
Oh, I'm trying to draw inspiration.
Okay. So anything.
You know what to say about love? Love is like water. You can fall in it. You can drown in it. But you can't live without it. Oh, I'm sorry. I get in my feelings whenever I'm like this.
It's okay. I mean, I totally understand.
I should get going. Jonathan is probably waiting for me.
Oh, cool. Do you mind riding my bicycle?
No, I don't know how to ride bicycles. I'm scared of them.
You are just like your brother. But you know, I can teach you.
We'll see.
Oh, hey, Clinton. What are you doing here?
Is your sister around?
Oh yeah. Daisy. Daisy, Clinton is here for you.
Hi. Looking for me?
Yes, I was free today, so I thought I should come, teach you how to ride.
Oh no. Sorry, I'm fine. Thank you.
Oh, come on, Daisy. You're always inside. Come on.
Look, I promise not to hurt you, okay?
Daisy, come on. Let's go.
Okay, come on. Let's try.
Okay.
Get dressed. Take it.
What do I do?
Yeah. Just tear it down. There you go. Easy. Your hands on the control. Just like that. Hey, face up. Yeah, and other forward. So, hey, gently. Face up. Your eyes at the front, okay? Yeah, gently. Take it easy. Just like that.
It's only fluffy.
Sorry, I don't want it. You're doing just fine. Easy. Gently.
I want to come down, please.
Yeah. Easy, one leg on the floor first. Yeah. Easy. You sleep.
That was fun.
Yeah. So can I get your name now? Oh yeah, I'm Clinton, by the way.
Easy.
Daisy. Nice name.
Daisy! Come on.
Sorry, I have to go now. My brother needs me.
It's fine.
For you, I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made.
Clinton, do you know how much you made me lose today? Huh? Because you put the wrong folder in my bag. The company got the wrong business idea. Clinton! What? You're always losing focus. Yeah, this thing is always distracting you.
Why would you do that, man?
Why would I do not care?
That is the one thing that is precious to me, and you know that.
I don't care. Every single time, just simple thing I told you to do. Put a folder in my bag, you put the wrong thing, and I lost a very huge contract today because of you.
That's not to do with the camera now. This is why you taking my camera.
Darling, love was made for us. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for
Bro, can you wait here? Let me go talk to him. I'll be back.
we were meant to be, darling. Oh yeah, love was made for us. We don't have to try. The stars align for us. Don't be
What's wrong?
afraid, darling, I'm here. Yeah, love was made for us.
What did the water do to you?
Daisy, what are you doing here?
Taking a walk with Jonathan. Well, I guess we're not close enough for you to tell me what's going on.
Nothing. I'm fine. You know, the only place I could come to is the beach.
I'm so sorry to hear that. I know it's hard being enthusiastic about something and not seeing someone that could love it with you. I know I can't return that camera to you, but one thing I do know is that photography suits you, and you should never let anyone stop you from achieving your dreams.
I wish that was coming from my sister.
That day, when I saw him sad, my heart ached deeply too. I didn't understand what it meant. Was it caring? Was it love? All I knew was that I wanted to ask if he was okay. Every single day. And hold him close if he wasn't. Love was a puzzle I couldn't solve. But I knew it was my heart reaching out. If that's love, then my love was for him. Because after that day, my heart yearned for him even more. Yet, I saw it as a loss, not love.
Yes, I'm a good teacher actually. You know what? Give me one more time and I promise you'll be good at riding bicycle. I promise.
No, thank you. I'm fine. Or maybe when I muster the courage.
Okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why are you still enthusiastic about photography, even though your sister is against it?
You see, photography has helped me a lot. I can express myself through it. You see, some people might see a picture in a black background and call it sad. But to me, it's not. I see there's power and strength. Okay, I see the definition of life through my pictures. Not everything that is dark is bad.
Wow, that's deep. I like the way we can get deep with each other. I don't know, it just feels like I've known you all my life.
I like you, Daisy.
What?
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Oof.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we were meant to be, darling.
I'm Daisy.
Hi, Daisy.
I'm your neighbor.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Is Clinton?
No, he's not around. Is there a problem?
No.
Okay, so we'll probably come back later.
Okay.
Right. Bye.
Darling, oh yeah, love was made for us.
wish he hadn't been a coward that day. If only he had come down, looked me in the eyes, and told me he liked me. Hearing those words, it felt like the world had ended. My entire body vibrated, and all I could envision was a world where it was just him and me. That moment gave me the courage to go to his place. As I walked, I asked myself, Daisy, are you in love?
Hey, Daisy. I said I'm sorry. No, I'm just going to follow you to anywhere you're going to your house to talk. Daisy!
When are you going to stop following me?
So when you allow us to talk.
Talk about what?
Talk about what I did. I mean, for not being a man.
Go on.
You see, I was scared, okay? I was scared that my first love would reject me. I was scared of our friendship. Daisy, I was scared that you were too good enough for me. I was scared that I was not worthy of your love.
Anything else?
See, I was scared that if I tell this beautiful girl standing in front of me that I like her, she would reject me. But then again, I discovered that love is like a beach. It goes far away from you and comes back stronger. Daisy, I like you.
Finally. Took you so long to admit it. I like it too. I like it too.
Yeah, come in.
Hey sis!
Hey, bro. So,
I'm fine, as you can see. How are you?
Excitement. So,
Nothing much. I'll be in my room.
this is boy's cookie trees.
Next to okay, I think hold on.
I will wait
I think I'm the next
Hey.
person.
She's trying to cheat.
Yes.
She's trying to cheat. She knows what she's doing. Okay, so who's the next?
She.
Okay.
Last card.
How?
Okay, so I think whose turn is it now?
You.
No, it has to be my
that's
turn. Bro, I don't even know what to play right now. Look at my game. How did you?
Yeah, I think.
Wait, hold on. I have something. Yeah. Play.
Okay, so I don't think I have.
You do not have it.
My turn.
Yes, your time.
Check up.
You see, I knew she was cheating.
How was I
knew
cheating?
it.
You were.
This is the third time you've won now.
So
I knew you were cheating.
I'm just very good at this game.
No, like that. That's crazy. Why would you look like that? It's not even working that way. I mean, this guy started sleeping, but it's fine. See the way he's sleeping over there. This guy just slept over sudden. Wow.
What's the time?
Oh shit. I need to start going now.
Yeah, I think we lost track of time.
We did.
Let me
Yes.
ask you.
Yes, let's. Yeah. Sure. Hey, why are you so excited?
So I found this opportunity.
Okay.
There's this art school in the UK, and they're giving out free scholarship for creative writing and photography.
Photography.
Yeah, so I was thinking we could apply. All we have to do is submit some of our works and then pray we get accepted.
Oh, that is a great opportunity. Thank you, Daisy.
You're
Thank you.
Let me give you. Let me send you the link.
Oh, okay.
This is a great opportunity, and it would be really cool if we get accepted.
Especially when we get to do it together. Thank you.
Hello, Mother.
Hello, Daisy. How are you and your brother?
We're still where you left us.
This girl. Who did you take after with your attitude?
Oh, I wonder who.
Anyways, let your brother know that I'll be coming back in a few days.
Oh, they'll be so excited to hear that.
I have to go. Bye.
Of course.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be.
Mom just called.
Darling.
She said that she'll be coming back next week.
Good for her.
I was thinking we could plan something for her.
I'm not interested, and I'll be busy on that date.
I haven't even said the date
Daisy,
yet.
can you please stop? I said I'm not interested.
Oh.
Are you ready? Come on, let's do this.
Okay.
Oh my god, finally we get to go to the UK to computer. Oh my god. I'm serious. Yes! Whoa!
Hey, bro. I've been asleep since last night, so what's up? Okay, what's my crime this time?
Look, can you just stay in your lane and I'll stay in mine?
Jonathan. Jonathan!
Hi. Hi, Jonathan.
All this is your fault! I hate you!
Did you guys fight or something?
I'm as confused as you are.
Let him be, okay? He's a big boy. Just give him time.
I think I should go talk to him.
Alright, hey. Give him some time, okay? Let's just sit. Come on.
I hate my life. Everybody just leaves me.
Yeah, come in.
Hey, sis.
Hey, bro.
I have something to tell you.
Okay. What's going on?
I applied for a scholarship abroad and I got in.
Really? That's good. Congratulations. What course?
For photography.
What do you mean, photography? Please, I thought we talked about this already.
This is. Do you know I don't have interest in anything else? This is what I love. Yes, this is everything to me, sis. I don't understand what is this hate about? Do you hate me or you hate photography?
Clinton, please, I do not want to talk about this.
We have to talk about it today. Yes, because I don't really understand what is all this about photography. Since you look at my pictures with so much disgust, and It's affecting my self-esteem. What is going on?
Photography is the problem. Clinton, what you do is the problem.
What do you even mean?
Want to talk? Let's talk. Want to know why I hate photography so bad? I hate it because it brings back bad memories. I hate it because it took away the one person I ever loved.
I don't understand.
My ex, he was a photographer and a very good one. You know, I thought we were going to be together forever. But one day, he got a call to come and shoot in a place with height. And I kept calling. Then I got worried because he wasn't answering. Clinton, he died. He fell off that height and died. By the time he got to the hospital, it was too late. So ever since then, I've hated everything that had to do with photography. Then I thought that if I could make you hate it, I could protect you from the pain that it caused me.
I'm so sorry. Okay, I didn't know this was what happened. Okay, I thought you and Brother Isaac broke up because there was no love. I didn't know this was what happened.
I'm sorry too. Okay? Shouldn't have let my own bitterness hinder you from your own happiness. Okay? And I promise, going forward, you can pursue your dreams. And I will support you all the way. Okay?
Thank you.
Hi, dears. How are you? So I don't get a hug? Hi, baby. How are you?
My name is Jonathan. That's if you still remember.
It's good that you're here. We need to discuss.
I know what you want to say. You need more money, right? I will send you someone. That's not a problem.
Everything is not about money. Please.
Okay, money is not important.
I applied for a scholarship abroad. And I'm thinking of accepting the offer. But the thing here is, your son needs you.
A scholarship, that's great news. But you know I'm still very, very busy at work.
So what do you expect me to do? Should I live my life and take care of your son? He needs you! Jonathan!
Come back here! You don't walk under your mother.
Why are you even back? What are you doing here?
Both of you, come back here! You don't walk out of me!
Can we talk?
Talk about what?
Don't worry, Jonathan. We'll figure out something, I promise.
Figure out what? Figure out the fact that you want to leave me? Daisy, you said it would be me and you till the end. And now you want to leave me for Clinton. You want to leave me for love. Daisy, how do you expect me to live without you? You're my mother. You're my father. You're my sibling. And also my best friend. How do you expect me to live? Okay. Daisy, look. I promise you. I promise to listen to everything you say. I promise to go to bed by 8 p.m. Daisy, whatever you say, I promise to listen to you. Daisy, please don't leave me. Daisy, please don't leave me. Daisy, please, I need you to pick your brother over love. Please.
Jonathan, this isn't about Clinton. This is about me and what I'm passionate about.
Okay. I understand. Whatever you decide.
There are sacrifices we make in life. For love or for family in moments of conflict. Now, life has brought me to this crossroad where a decision must be made and the burden bestowed. It hurts deeply knowing my heart and mind diverge, their desires conflicting, creating an emotional surge. Why can't my heart and mind align in their quest? The pain of this choice puts my spirit to the test. I am torn between two loves, both so dear. My heart aches with every thought, every tear. Can one heart truly yearn for two different dreams?
So, Mom is gone again.
I guess so. I'm hungry. Hey, bro.
Hi.
I know that things have been tensed between us lately. But I still have time to make a decision. And before that time, can we just please get back to being us? Please. I miss my little brother.
Look, Daisy, I miss my sister too, but I'm just trying to get used to the idea of you not being here in case you decide to travel. So, I'm sorry.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made for us. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Oh yeah. Love was made for us. We don't have to try. The stars align for us. Don't be afraid, darling, I'm here. Yeah, love was made for us. Oh.
Hi, Mom. It's your daughter, Daisy. How are you? Your children need you. I need you. I can't be a mother and a sister at the same time. Please, there's still so much chance to come back and be a mother to your own children. Jonathan needs you. I need you too. Please. Please call me when you see this. Please call me back. As time passed, love started to become lost. My heart started to fracture, torn between fleeting happiness and a sorrow so deep it felt like a grave filled with emotions. I needed to make a choice to heal, to make my heart whole again. But I've never felt so utterly lost in my entire life.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made for us. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we were meant to be, darling. Oh yeah, love was made for us. We don't have to try. The stars align for us. Don't be afraid, darling, I'm here. Yeah, love was made for us. Oh, I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you.
Hi, Mom. It's me again. Please call me back when you get this. I really need us to talk.
Yeah, I'll go to the end with you. I'll be the reason you smile. Hold my hand so we don't fall. You are the reason I am here.
Guys, I'm fine.
Are you prepared? I'm traveling in 3 days and she doesn't seem excited.
Well, I am excited. I am prepared. Yeah.
What's going on?
I mean, it's Daisy. Okay, we planned all of this together, and all of a sudden, it's not going to be the same.
What exactly is the issue?
Jonathan, Daisy's brother. He's mad at Daisy because without Daisy, he is going to be lonely, and Daisy doesn't know what to do about it.
That's a very tough decision.
And the most annoying part is that we planned this together, and right now, it's not going to be the same.
You know what? Just relax, okay? Daisy's a very smart girl. So whatever her reasons are, I'm very sure they're going to be valid. So just try and understand with her, okay?
Thank you. I will try.
You smile?
Try.
Okay. Be good.
I'm fine. My baby.
Clinton, you know, whatever decision I make, I care about you. I'll always love you deeply, no matter what.
Are you declining the scholarship?
No. I've decided to go.
Really? What about Jonathan?
Oh, we found a way around it. Yeah, my mom, she wants to be more involved this time. So, Jonathan will get the love he deserves.
I'm so happy. You know, I've always wanted to do this journey with you. And I'm so happy you made your decision.
Me too.
You'll be fine, okay? We will be fine.
So, I've decided that I'm not leaving anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not leaving me again? Thank you so much.
Yeah. I mean, I can always apply for another scholarship. But I can never get another brother.
Daisy, you're the best sister ever. But what about Clinton?
Oh, I told him I was leaving with him too. So he's making preparations. I mean, I can't let him miss this opportunity because of me, right?
Well, I promise to be the best brother ever. Taking care of you will be my priority. Okay?
I raised the man.
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made for us. I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Oh yeah. Love was made for us. We don't have to try. The stars align for us. Don't be afraid, darling, I'm here.
Hello, guys. Please, can we talk? I came back here today to let you know that I'm ready to stay. Ready to be the mother of my children. I am so sorry that it took me this long to realize that before I'm a businesswoman, I'm a mother first.
For how long? 5 days? 7 days? A week?
No, I'm here forever. Ready to be the mother of my children.
What kind of mother? A heartless mother? A selfish mother? Or a mother who was given the role to be a mother to her own children, but chose to be a devil in disguise? Which one are you?
Well, I said I'm sorry.
You are sorry! Will sorry fix or buy back all those years you missed in our lives? Okay. What is your son's favorite food? Oh wait, let me give you an easier one. What is his favorite color? You don't even know.
I know that all the money that I've earned cannot buy your love or make up for the years I've neglected the two of you. But listening to your voicemail was like an alarm clock waking me up to reality. And that's why I came to apologize. You said that I still have a chance to be a mother. Please give me that chance. I promise you that this time around, we'll spend it in love. The time we used to love and cherish the gift that God has given me. You are my gift. I realize that now.
Even though you neglected us and didn't show us any love, you did still act as a mother in other ways. So I think we've decided to give you a second chance. We've decided to give you a chance.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'll do good this time, I promise. I promise.
Are you expecting a call?
No. I was just checking the time.
I'm sure he landed safely. And as soon as he settles, he will give you a call.
How do you know about Hunting?
Jonathan explained everything to me. I was just too ashamed to ask you about the scholarship, so I asked him.
Wow.
Thank you.
Can love forgive a lie?
So long as there's love. Lying to protect someone is not enough of a bullet to kill it. You forgive me. That is love that melted at my pleading. So don't worry. Clinton will definitely give you a call. He will send you a message. Don't worry. Love can heal all wounds. It's going to be fine. Okay?
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you. 'Cause we were meant to be, darling. Love was made for us. I will wait for you. I'll climb.
What are you doing here? You're supposed to be in the UK.
You see, that day after you left, I got an email from the school stating the number of students that accepted the admission. I didn't see your name, Daisy. You see, at first I was angry. I was so unhappy. And then again, I realized you do these things for the people you love. I mean, even if it means hurting them sometimes. I understand now.
I lied. I don't even know why I lied, but I just did. I guess it was because I didn't want you to miss the opportunity because of me. Sorry.
You will never lose me. Okay, because I'll follow you wherever you go. You are my heart, Daisy. You are the love of my life.
Love is a funny thing. It has a mysterious way of finding its way back into our lives. Whether it's the steadfast love of family or the deep, soulful love of someone you wish to spend eternity with, love always finds a way. It returns when you least expect it, wrapping around your heart like a warm embrace on a cold night. It brings with it memories of laughter, moments of joy, and the promise of a future filled with shared dreams. Love is the thread that weaves through the fabric of our lives, binding us together with this unbreakable bond. It is the beacon of light in our darkest hours, and the soft whisper that tells us we are never truly alone. Dear Diary, this is the end of my love story. What is yours?
I will wait for you. I'll climb the hills for you, 'cause we were meant to be